And today we have something new. That isn't really new. Ah! Crap. So we have this thing. That was realistic. Oh, that was satisfying. Hold on, let me do that again. Yeah, that glass break was super satisfying. Let me do that again. Oh, we got something. See? Little curve. One more and it's done. Okay, let me fix that. So, since this takes a little while to reset, this is the last time. I'm testing it this time, so I don't know what this is for. Anyway. Actually, let's recreate something somebody would probably do. That worked amazing. Clear all the glass. Okay, let me clean all that up. Alright, so that was it. God. I need to create a stick. Hold on. Okay, I made this. And then where can this go? Wait. I wish we had an alarm if, the fire alarm was being fiddled with. Like I am right now. I'm fiddling with the fire alarm. Oh! There. Choo 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 choo. Yep. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and, wait, I thought I had something to show. Destruction of the fire alarm. Oh. Why did I do that? Aww. Look at all the pieces. They're all on the floor. I know how to rebuild this. Hold on a second. 3. Wait, so let me gather all the pieces. Oh no. It's all broken. And it'll be fixed in 3, 2. Let me start over the countdown. 3. Okay, so 3, 2, 0! Okay. Ouch! Cripes. Anyway. So we have this fire alarm. So we have this fire alarm right here. And it is such a cool firework. Yep, and I built it. I rebuilt it right now. I don't know what I'm talking about. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you next time. Oh, and I forgot to say the new fire alarm that's coming. Because we got at least 4 likes and no comments saying don't tell me. So 4 likes. Here it is. It's an EST and Edwards signaling horn strobe mini. That's what we bought. So let's go to the other picture. It's the model, maybe. I don't know. I don't know about this stuff. And here's the back. Crap, I didn't. Oh no. Who cares? And that's the front. And that's all the pictures. So, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like if you want to, leave a dislike if you want to, and I shouldn't show personal information, but you can't even. So yeah, I'll get out of that. Wait.